Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this old song cinematic reels video. So in here, you just need to prepare at least two footages like this and then prepare the old song. And here, set one of the video as overlay like this. Put it at the bottom of the first one and then add the old song that you want. So in here I'm using lyrics overlay of the old song. You can just click on overlay and add overlay. So I found this on TikTok. You can also do the same if you want to. Here you can just remove. Okay, I'm going to extract the audio first. You can tap on extract audio and let's mark the beat after that. So after the audio extracted, you can click on the audio and find the beats option. I'm gonna just go with auto generate. Okay, so after you mark the beats here, you can click on the main video, go to speed, choose on curve and select the hero. Edit it like this. Okay, click on a check icon. Now it will go like this. You can click on a check icon again. Now on the overlay, you can make it smaller like this. So the video will now look like this, and here you can split the main video in here until the second mark of the beats. And now you can click on the main video, sorry, the overlay video, and split it align with the yellow mark. So just follow the yellow mark here. Do it again for the entire yellow mark. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I've already split the overlay video aligned with the yellow mark. Now you can click on the main video and the first part. Sorry, click on this overlay, the first overlay right here. Go to animations, combo, and then find the zoom one animation like this. Click on a check icon, and for the entire the rest of the overlay, you can add the pendulum effect. So you can go to animation, combo, and find a pendulum one like this. Do this for the rest of the overlay. Okay, so after you add all of my animations to all of the overlay, this will be the final result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.